Welcome to Swisscom Mobile ID, a solution for strong multi-factor authentication from the Swiss telcos, UPC, Sunrise, Salt and Swisscom, provided and operated by Swisscom. Do you want to restrict access to your application to certain countries? Then Mobile ID geofencing is the right option for you. Geofencing allows companies to define geographical boundaries and offers another level of user authentication by verifying where the users are located. Companies can decide who can access what within that barrier. It's based on the user's location data at the moment of authentication. Swisscom Mobile ID provides highly reliable location data as the basis for access control. This technology helps companies lock an application to a specific geographic location and block any mobile ID authentication requests outside the fencing area. Whitelists and blacklists can also be set up according to the customer's needs. In this scenario, users located outside of the fenced area, such as those in France and the UK, will not be able to access the application. Mobile ID has the convenience of offering precise and reliable geofencing. Let's see how it's done. For application users, the location is given by the GPS position of the smartphone with an accuracy estimation. For SIM card users, the location is given by the nearest mobile network antenna, also with an accuracy estimation. The geofencing response always contains the country, the accuracy, the device confidence, the location confidence, and the timestamp. Both methods are difficult to spoof compared to basic IP-based geofencing. Swisscom Mobile ID is aimed at companies looking for a strong authentication solution that can also meet strict regulatory requirements. Ease of use and practical self-service are just as important as the highest security standards. Have we aroused your interest? Together, we will find out how Swisscom Mobile ID is the right multi-factor solution for your company. We look forward to hearing from you.